All right, welcome back, MIK 2020. Gonna get a woot woot. No? Okay. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. I'm standing up for a second. We've got Shang Tsung here with a company that's called ModernTec.
Yes, I am in
before
ModernTec.
I do that, I want to flip this camera around really quick. I want to show you guys. This is kind of the product that they're showing off. It's all electric stuff. That's that little robotish thing right there. It's actually grabbing onto a charge port. So that's what we're going to talk about here. So let's flip the camera back here. Yeah, I'm a cameraman too. And there's Chang Tsung. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Do I sound like robots?
And let's just, there we go. All right, so you're with ModernTec EV charging systems.
Yes.
Why don't you tell us a little?
bit?
So, how different is a charging system in Korea to a charging system in the United States?
Well, in the United States, there are a lot of parking spaces, so they are not caring much about the parking spaces. So, which means that they don't care whether they are used the big chargers. But in Korea, we have to always think about the efficiency.
Yeah.
With a big population and in a small place.
Okay.
So we are trying to make the EV charger as efficient as possible.
Yeah, because I've seen some of the parking jobs, and even in some of the U.S. cities, you have to do some creative parking to get all the cars in there, and that's
right.
understandable. So with ModernTec, you have EV charging systems, small ones to big ones, correct?
From small ones to big ones, yes.
Okay, and is this a company that's been putting these charging systems out, or are you just starting, or what?
We've been developing our EV chargers from 2009.
Okay.
And then it's more than 10 years.
More than 10 years?
Yes.
Okay.
That's how we are able to occupy 80% of our EV bus charging station in Korea.
Okay, so you're based in Seoul, correct?
Not in Seoul, but about 50 kilometers away from Busan.
Okay, from Busan. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, the other side of the country. But you cover all of South Korea, right?
Oh yes, you gotta see the map.
Okay,
later.
it's a nice coverage area.
Yes.
Do you do any other countries other than Korea, or
Not yet, but we are still looking for the partners.
the partners? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Partners that can do
Please
not only
contact
just
me.
U.S. charging, but there's other.
The Europes too. So
Yeah.
we are in the middle of our charges of being certified with the UL&C. So we are being ready with our products, really technology-based products. Yeah.
Okay, so how much does it cost to put in one of your systems?
Can I call you back?
Okay, I'm not on
Kinda
Keiko Talk, but yeah, we can definitely. Would you say it's about a few $1,000s, a few $100s?
I would say in this question that
Well, let's don't put installation in, just the unit itself.
right. So I would say it's a really difficult question.
Okay.
Like better quality. I mean, the competitive quality compared to Delta. I mean, at the price
Okay.
and the technology ABB. So I think I have to talk to my sales member.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So the company's name is called ModernTec, and it's all about EV charging. Do you do more than just auto charging? I see some solar panels and some windmills in here. Was that just for design, or?
For EV chargers, they need a roof to be protected.
Okay.
So to do that, we are using, as I told you before, we need efficiency as possible.
Got it.
So we are using the solar panels as a roof
Got
to
it.
protect them.
Okay,
And
I see that right now because you can't see it, of course, because it's just a brochure. But they have like a little. The chargers are underneath a little pavilion-looking thing. There's solar panels on it. That's what helps with the charging. That's awesome. It also looks like you have charging units for scooters.
yes, we have it. And then the scooters are having the really small batteries, which means that you can swap it.
Okay.
So we have a swappable battery charging
okay.
station.
So you basically take the battery out of the scooter, put it in the charger. There's another battery that's already charged. You pull that out, put that back in the scooter, and you're
That's
off.
right.
Okay.
You know well.
That's awesome. I don't have a scooter, but that's I don't even have an electric car. So, and it looks like you have some patents. Being around for 10 years, you definitely have some credentials behind that patent wise, and probably you've also got certification.
We are the first patent to develop the EV roboram charger system in the world on the rail. Yes.
On the rail. Awesome. So, where's your website located?
Our website?
Website, yeah.
It's www.moderntech.kr.
Is it moderntech.co.kr or
No, it's just .kr.
Just .kr. Okay, there you go. All right. Well, Shang-Su, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
There you go. It's ModernTec. If you're in the Korea area, you definitely want to check them if you got an electric vehicle, and then watch for them coming to whatever country you're from. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. We got more from MIK 2020, CES 2020, and just check it out. Of course, youtube.com/Geekazine. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification for the next video. Until then, you guys geek out.
Thank you.